What's the next big opportunity for wealth? Digital capital. People often say AI is the next wave of wealth. It's powerful, yes, but highly competitive, and most opportunities are gate-kept by corporations and researchers. I believe digital capital is far more accessible and far more transformative for individuals. Think back to the early 2000s. The big opportunity then was digital information. Photos, videos, blog posts, and online forums. Everything that was once physical became digital. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube rode that wave and made billions. Creators who participated thrived. Of course, there's still money to be made in digital information today. Social media, content creation, and online services continue to generate income. But the market is crowded. Millions of competitors, established creators, corporations, and algorithmic biases make it harder than ever to stand out. Most burn out before they ever break through, and for many, content creation isn't even a realistic option. Parents with bills and kids to feed often choose the stability of a regular paycheck over the uncertainty of building something that may never succeed. People in debt, working multiple jobs just to make ends meet, don't have the time, energy, or safety net to risk chasing viral success. So what's next? Not just content, not just clicks, but money itself, digital capital. We're in the early stages of digitizing capital, and it's bigger than anything before. What is digital capital? It's not online banking. It's not a bank account that your money is stored in. True digital capital is real ownership of value directly in your hands, without third parties, without gatekeepers. Just you, your keys, and the network. Capital has always been power. Owning land, stocks, gold, or real estate gives influence, freedom, and security. But it was slow, inflexible, and expensive to access. You needed banks, brokers, lawyers, and networks. Even when you owned it, third parties still took a cut. Taxes, fees, insurance. Bitcoin changes all that. For the first time, anyone with an internet connection can hold portable, incorruptible, permissionless capital. No one can stop you, reverse it, or censor it. Unlike a YouTube channel, Instagram page, or bank account, no company can demonetize you, no algorithm can punish you, and no government can suddenly raise fees or taxes to seize your wealth. Most digital money today, bank apps, PayPal, Venmo, are just IOUs. They say you have money. But with Bitcoin, you own the actual asset, no middleman involved. If you're learning something new from this, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more people like you. Every business, every transaction, every job depends on capital flows. Coffee shops, hairdressers, dentists, accountants, hospitals, global corporations, nothing moves without money. Capital is the fuel. Traditional systems are slow and inefficient, with inflation, fees, and changing rules slowing progress. By owning Bitcoin early, you're not chasing trends. You're investing in the foundation of the future economy. Owning it now is like buying land before the city is built. Every fraction of Bitcoin is a piece of digital real estate, the base layer where the new economy will run. Think of it this way. Information was the oil of the 2000s. AI is the electricity of the 2020s. Digital capital, Bitcoin, is the land everything is being built on. Unlike starting an online business or chasing attention, Bitcoin doesn't pit you against millions of competitors. Once you hold it, you're part of a shared network. Everyone wins by holding. Cooperation, not competition, drives growth. And unlike traditional assets, no one can change the rules on you. No gatekeeper can block your access. No algorithm can punish you. Conclusion: Bitcoin is digital real estate. It's pure math-verified capital. Accessible 24/7, borderless, incorruptible. It separates money from the state, embeds it into code, and makes ownership clean and simple. In a world where digital information drives the economy and AI runs the machines, Bitcoin is the base layer of trust and value. If you missed the internet, social media, or AI, you don't want to miss the digitization of capital. If you made it to the end of this video, type Bitcoin in the comments to show you're awake. And don't forget to subscribe to stay part of the revolution.